So hello guys and welcome to SBit2 again. So today we'll be making a project in which our computer will be recognizing whether we are wearing a mask or not. So as you can see that I am not wearing a mask right now and it's showing no mask. So if I put my mask on, it's showing mask on, and if I pull it a bit down, it will be showing pull your mask a bit up. So this application can be used in different stores, different offices, different schools and many places. So likewise, if I say that you go to a store and if you use this application, then it will allow only those persons who are wearing the mask and it won't be allowing the persons who aren't wearing the mask. In this way you can stay a bit safe. And now let's see how to make it. So for this, first go to Google and search for teachable machine. Go to the first one and get started. So now you can choose the three projects from here: image, audio or post. For now I'll be choosing the image project. You can find the link in the description. Now you can upload the images from webcam or you can upload from Google Drive or from internal storage. For now I'll be using the Google Drive. Sorry, I won't be using the Google Drive. Now I'll be using my webcam. And now we'll be changing the class name over here. Basically this is the text which will be shown beside the bar, that am I wearing my mask or not. So now I'll be uploading my pictures with no mask. So I just have to hold and it will record my images. You need to upload from different angles so that it works a bit better. That's why I turned my neck a bit. So as you can see, so many of my images have already been recorded. Now we'll be moving to the second one. We'll be changing it to mask on and we'll be uploading pictures with our mask on from our webcam. So for that, select webcam and similarly we'll be recording our images. First let me put my mask, that's the most important thing. Now hold to record and it is very much fast. And again I turn my neck a bit. And yes, now I'll be adding a new class from add a class and then I'll be changing it and I'll write pull up my mask. Pull up your mask. Then again I'll be, this is not the proper way to wear the mask, so that's why I've added this option. So I will just release this and I'll pull my mask a bit down and again I will upload it. So you can upload as many images as you want. For now I feel that it's sufficient, and yes, I hope this one works. Now we need to train our model. This thing will take a bit of time, a minute or 2 minutes, but don't change the slides while doing this, else it won't be working. And yep, it's done right now. Now as you can see that I haven't worn my mask properly, so it's asking me that pull up your mask. So it's quite working good. Now I put up my mask fully, so it's showing mask on and that's very much working correctly. Now I've opened my mask and it's showing no mask. So that shows that our model is working perfectly and with no problems. I will again show it to you. So you can also export the model and use the JavaScript and use it in your web applications or so. For now I am not showing that. So if you like this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to get more videos like this. And if you have made any projects with this, do tag me in my Insta, it's given in my link, or you can also mention in the comment section below. And with that said, thank you for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Till the time, bye everyone.